Hello there, today I want to share this product with you that I've used recently. There's been really good feedback about this product and it is called KANDYSOL Sparkling Tile Marble Cleaner. It's a versatile and refreshing cleaner with fragrance and polish. It helps to keep your home smelling fresh, and your walls, your tiles, your floors, your marble, it keeps them super shiny without any streaks, discoloration or damage. Now some of the benefits include the fact that it has soap, so you don't need to add soap. And it has disinfectant, and it is packed with a beautiful fragrance to keep your home smelling amazing. It removes stains from the floor, removes dust and dirt, it polishes, and it can be used on all floor types. It is non-slippery, so you don't have to fear you falling over. And as you can see, I used it on my kitchen floor and it is looking so sharp and nice. Now you can use it on your walls, your kitchen worktop, you can use it on your kitchen tiles. It works amazing. And also they have a multi-purpose surface cleaner which can be used on glass surface, windows, doors, chairs, wooden surface, dressing table, bar tops, TV stand, TV screen, even your dining table. And it's really good. So if you're looking for an effective product for your floor and your surfaces, bathroom, kitchen, and etc., then reach out to the contact details in the description below. Guys, here I used it on my dressing table, and look at it, it looks so amazing. It's so clean and I just love it. This is such a good product.